Hello traders, Jason here with SwingHigh.com. It is Wednesday, March 3rd, 2010, and this is not your post-market analysis. I think I'm going to take the website in a little bit different of a direction now, and I'm going to start reviewing personal trades that I have made or am making and put them up instead of doing broad market analysis. I might throw a little bit of broad market analysis in there too, just so that we can have a comparison. To see, like, if I'm taking a trade because it's relatively strong, I'll show that. So here we're looking at Cagc, as I like to call it. CAGC is the ticker. The company is China Agritech Inc. Whatever. Basically, this was a technical trade, and the company is fundamentally strong. I don't really care too much about it, but I know that its fundamentals are strong. So here we have the daily chart of Cagc, and a very impressive run-up. Just kind of gave it away. A very impressive run-up to here, and then all of this was on increasing volume. And then we get to right here where we have this ascending triangle type formation going on here. We had a pullback to support, popped up, put in a slight high base, and then right here we broke out of the ascending triangle formation on increasing volume, and that was my entry right there around $19. I knew that we had a little bit more resistance to fight through going into 20, but I was willing to take that risk. It wasn't a huge position, and well, let's just say it worked out, because the next couple of sessions we broke right above that 20 mark, and from there on out, I mean, as soon as that happened, I knew that this position was going to make me some money, because I could move my stop up under this big support here at 20 and let it run, and that's pretty much what I did. And it held up right on support, bounced off of support pretty hard, gapped up. I thought this was going to be a shooting star reversal pattern, maybe an evening star in the making, but it wasn't confirmed. See, it looked bearish here because of that gap up and small body that is a shooting star, but then and on increasing volume. But we needed confirmation. We didn't get, well, we sort of got that confirmation. I did not exit here because we didn't close in the real body of this candle. We did make a lower low and a lower high, which I did expect a roll back over and a retest of this support at 20, but we didn't get it. We just kind of, well, we did continue down, and I still didn't exit, because even if we got down to 20 again and bounced off of that support, I would have added. And well, it didn't really pan out exactly as I expected, pulling back. It just kind of well, in one day it came down and tested 20 and came back up and made a higher high. That's a bullish engulfing pattern, so from there I knew it was going to be pretty good. We made a higher high, punched out new highs here, ran up, and then we have this bearish engulfing candle, which was yesterday, and a doji today. I did exit a little prematurely here, admittedly. I exited about 3:30 today, because I did think that we were going to close lower, and I would have been a slight confirmation of this bearish engulfing. However, we did not. But in the scheme of things, I'm happy, because I did take a 40% profit here and just took my profits off the table, and I'll let it see. I'll see what it does now. If we do make a high base, maybe pull back to support even. I would love for this to pull back to 20 again and give me a good setup for another entry there at a low price, and maybe catch another 40% gain. I don't know, but that was a successful trade I just recently had. So I just wanted to share that with you. And by the way, this red line, on all of my charts, these red lines are going to be where I had my stop limit. Just for my own reference, when I see it hit that red line, I know to take it off my watch list. Thanks for being a part of SwingHigh.com. I'll talk to you later.